Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a profitable dropshipping niche with AliExpress, beginner guide step by step clearly. Identify your interests and passions. Consider what products you enjoy and are knowledgeable about. Research market trends to understand current consumer demands. Utilize tools like Google Trends and social media to find popular niches. Evaluate the competition in your chosen niche. Search for existing dropshipping stores and analyze their offerings. Look for gaps in the market where you can add unique value. Set a budget for your startup costs, including website and marketing expenses. Create a list of potential products to sell. Visit AliExpress and explore various categories to identify profitable items. Pay attention to products with high order volumes and positive reviews. Check the shipping times and reliability of suppliers on AliExpress. Consider the potential profit margins for each product. Narrow down your list to the top 3 to 5 products that resonate with your target audience. Develop a business plan outlining your goals and strategies. Choose a memorable name for your dropshipping store. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize your store's design to appeal to your target audience. Add product descriptions that highlight benefits and features. Incorporate high-quality images and videos to engage customers. Optimize your store for search engines to improve visibility. Plan a marketing strategy, including social media and influencer partnerships. Consider using paid ads to reach a wider audience initially. Monitor customer feedback and adjust your offerings accordingly. Keep up with market trends and be ready to adapt your product selection. Analyze your sales data regularly to identify successful products. Continue to refine your marketing strategies based on performance metrics. Engage with your customers through email marketing and social media. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.